Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on your Indesit Innex washing machine, which is also a washer dryer. Now personally I wouldn't go for an integrated washing machine and dryer because it's trying to be the jack of all trades and the master of none. It's definitely a good idea to clean out your dispenser drawer about every 6 months really, because you don't want any gunk and gunge and washing powder residue going down and getting on your clothes when you're doing a wash. There's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. This is the Indesit Innex Washing Machine washer dryer here. And to remove the dispenser drawer, that is on the top left hand corner. So just put your hand underneath the handle, pull it out until it reaches a point where it won't go any further. And then you've got this small grey button in the middle at the back. Just push that down as you're pulling it out. And what you're doing is you're just giving this a really good clean. And here's one from another washing machine which is absolutely filthy dirty. And what you're doing here is you're just taking your partner's toothbrush with some hot soapy water and just giving it a really good scrub. And whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. And before you put the detergent drawer back in, it's definitely worth giving the inside of the drawer a good clean, again with some hot soapy water and a cloth. Don't be tempted to use a toothbrush in here because it might fall down the hole and get stuck inside the washing machine. Now to put the dispenser drawer back, just line it up with the grooves and push it home. You might have to push that button in at the back just to get it past the clip. And there we go. And while we're doing a bit of maintenance, it's definitely worth opening the front door and just checking the rubber seals, making sure this is nice and clean. As you can see, this one needs a good clean. So again, get some hot soapy water with the cloth and just give that a good clean and make sure any drainage holes are nice and clear. And then after you've done all that, it's definitely worth putting it on the hottest wash that it will go on with no closing, just to flush out and clean out the whole washing machine. And then don't forget to put your partner's toothbrush back and hope they didn't notice. I'll tell you what, after all that hard work, it's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you would like more how-tos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.